struggle talaga yung defense, no? The way I see it. Kasi yung evidence ng prosecution, kaya siguro nila inuna yung Article 4, no? Kasi parang malinaw yung grave threats kasi nasa video eh. At I mean, the video speaks for itself. Kaya pilit tinitibag ng defense, pero yung effort nila parang hindi sila nagsasucceed. So far, yun ang malinaw na pinakita na yung grave threats nandyan eh. How can you deny it na nakitang-kita natin at hindi ko rin maintindihan yung strategy ng defense doon. Pero especially today, parang disaster sila ngayon eh. And the things na yung cross-examination nila sa palagay ko hindi effective. Cross-examination 101